Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews on the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the best Iris 74 Quart Weathertight storage bins. The perfect solution to keep your items safe and organized. If you're looking for durable, high-quality storage containers, then keep watching because this product might just be what you need. Let's start by talking about the build quality. These storage bins are made right here in the USA, using premium, BPA-free plastic. That means they're not only sturdy, but they're also safe for all types of items, from clothing to important documents. The clear design allows you to easily see what's inside without having to open it up, which is super convenient if you're storing a variety of things. One of the standout features of these bins is the WeatherPro gasket seal. This unique seal creates a vacuum-like environment that locks out moisture, dust, and dirt. Whether you're storing clothes, electronics, or camping gear, you can rest assured that your belongings will stay safe and fresh. This weathertight seal is perfect for people who need to store items in humid or dusty conditions. In addition to the seal, these bins come with tight buckle-up latches. This multi-buckle latching system ensures that the lid stays securely in place, even when the bin is stacked or moved around. Speaking of stacking, these bins have a grooved design, making it super easy to stack them on top of each other. Not only does this save space, but it also helps keep your storage area neat and organized. When you're done using them, these bins can be nested inside one another, thanks to their tapered design. This feature is a huge space saver when you're not actively using the bins, and it makes storing them much easier. The dimensions of these bins are perfect for a variety of storage needs, measuring at 23.63 inches long, 17.75 inches wide, and 14.5 inches high. The inside dimensions are just as spacious, allowing you to store a good amount of items inside each bin. With all of these features combined, it's no wonder that the Iris 74 Quart Weathertight storage bins are so popular. They're designed for ultimate durability, organization, and protection. Whether you need to store seasonal clothes, camping supplies, or important paperwork, these bins are up to the task. If you want to make sure your items stay organized and secure, the Iris 74 Quart Weathertight storage bins are definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.